What's up, everybody? Welcome to Fat Cracker Homestead. You ever get that when you're trying to figure something out for dinner and you just can't figure it out what you're going to do? I got one for you tonight. We're going to do fried tacos. Let's get everything set up and we'll get back to it. All right, so we got 3 pounds of ground beef. Actually, 2 pounds of ground beef and 1 pound of ground chuck in the pan already browned and drained. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add a cup and a half of beef broth that I made out of a bouillon cube. Put this in here. And we'll turn the heat on medium. And then we'll add 4 packs of taco seasoning. I know each pack of taco seasoning calls for 1 pound of ground beef, but I like extra flavor. So I'm going to put 4 in there. We'll get all the, the last one. We'll get all these in here and mix it around. Get all that mixed in there real well. I got it on medium heat. Yeah, my daughter thought this up last week, but I didn't do it. So I figured I'd do it for her this week. She wanted to try it. So here we go. My first time ever doing fried tacos. Another fun adventure in the kitchen. Might have to add a little bit more water. It's drying up pretty good. Add just a little bit of water. Mix that around. All right, we'll finish mixing this in, and then we'll come back to the other ingredients. All right, so we're back now. We got everything mixed in and cooked a little bit. Turn the heat off so it don't overcook. It's still got a nice sizzle to it. Now we're going to add 3 cans of fire roasted rotel. For some flavor in it. Get those mixed in real well. And this is going to be our mixture to go inside the taco before we fry it. Get this well incorporated. And while we got it mixed down a little bit, I'm going to add a couple handfuls of black olives. One more. We have the others for the side. Wipe my hands real quick. And we'll mix all this in. We'll get all this mixed in and we'll move on to the next step. All right, so everything's done. Now we're going to set up the taco for it to cook. Right now I'm doing a special one for somebody that don't like all the tomatoes and olives. The little one in the house, so we're going to make him a special one. So we're going to put a little bit of cheese down. That way you can see and get a gist of what's going on. Put that there. And then we'll add the meat to it. Put that on top. All right, so we got everything on there. I'm going to spread it out a little bit. So now what we want to do is I made a little paste with flour or water. Mix it up a little bit more. Then we're going to take that and kind of smear it along the edge here to kind of glue everything together. A little bit more. Spread that. Spread that. Come a little bit on this side too. So to make sure to join good. We'll go all the way around here. All right, so we got that. Now we just fold over. You don't want to overstuff it. I'm hoping I didn't. This is my first time doing it. And we bring it down. Then we take the fork we use and we crimp along the edges. Some of that paste is coming out of it. We'll flip it over and do the other side. Get that to hold. We'll put it to the side and we'll make up a couple of the others, and then I'll show you the frying process. Now I'm going to show you a couple of the other ones too. We'll set that to the side there. And I'll get set up for another one and show you that, and then we'll get to the frying. All right. Here's the other one. We're going to do the same thing. We'll add a little bit of cheese. Put that there. And then we'll add a spoonful of our mixture. Put that across the top. That's got our black olives in it. And it's hot. And our rotel. We'll get that over there. And then this is going to be mine, so a special touch to it. I'm going to add some jalapenos. Get those in there. And hopefully I didn't overstuff it too much. Then we'll put our paste. Spread it. A little bit more here. Spread that down. And spread this one around. That should be enough. Then we'll fold it over and smash it down. All right. Spin it around and start crimping our corners. Crimping our edges. That might not end up too well. I think I might have overstuffed it. We'll see how it handles out. I need to go a little bit smaller on the rest of them. All right. Flip that over. Come back through. Get just the edges there. Hopefully I don't rupture it anymore. Like I said, it's my first time trying it. My daughter ordered it for her birthday last weekend. And I forgot all about it. It's so busy of a weekend. But we'll try it this weekend. All right. So I'll go ahead and get a couple more made up. And then we'll show you how to fry. All right. So here I got some peanut oil. And it's heating up. Or it's already been heating up. So right now we're going to take the first one I made for the little one with no extra on it. And we're going to put it in there. And let it fry for about 2 minutes each side. And then over here, I don't know where my drying racks are. So I have a strainer from the sink set up on a pan. And we'll put it over there and let that oil drain out of this cookie sheet. But we'll show the fry on this one. And then after it's done, we'll set it over to dry. And I'll come back with a taste test video. All right, so that's been about 2 minutes on that side. So we're going to roll it over. It's supposed to be a golden brown, but I don't think my oil was hot enough yet. And I believe the pocket opened too, so it's got a little bubble, sound like it's taking on water. But we'll let that one finish. That's 2 minutes on that side, and then we'll come back and show you what the finished product looks like. All right, so this side cooked for 2 minutes. It looks a whole lot better. Then I flip that side over, and now we're nice and brown, maybe a little too brown. So we're going to set it over here and let it dry, and then I'll cook the rest, and we'll come back to it and show you what it looks like. All right, here's what we got. Done. Cheese melted inside. Looks pretty good. Pretty sure it tastes pretty good. We'll take a bite, see what it tastes like. Tastes like a fried taco. Some of them cook a little bit longer, and it was all 2 minutes, but they got darker. My oil got too hot. But there it is. Some of them busted, but fried tacos. Here we go. Y'all have a good one. Remember, if you ain't trying, you ain't making it, bud.